Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So in this, every week we are giving you development challenges to give you a hands-on experience on coding to improve your skills on coding. So this is weekend 40 and from here we'll be seeing shell scripting challenges. So basically we all know shell script, that is basically .sh file. So we'll be looking at shell scripting challenges. So the first thing in what we'll be looking in this particular program is basically about security. We must create a file with strict permissions that only this particular whatever segment has to be allowed to read or write like that. So that is what we'll be doing. For example, only owner can write it, or only owner can read it, or whoever is accessing it can read it, and things like that. Now, so let's see the code. So the first thing is basically we're using base directory and followed by $1 and then app deploy. So what does this represent is basically in that base directory, this is the first argument of the particular this thing, and then if the argument is provided, then use it, or else usually use default app deploy. So here nothing is provided, so we will be using app deploy. Now next one is basically mkdir. So this is basically to create a new directory. So this directory is basically in that base directory we're creating a secure logs one more folder called secure logs in that base directory. Now after that, echo is used to basically write or print. That is what echo is used for. So here in the base directory we are creating one more file called init.log, and in this log file, the content of this log file is basically the text called initialization complete. So when you open the base directory, you have a folder called secure logs. When you open that, you have a file called init.log. So when you open that init.log, you have the content that is initialization complete. Now after that, chmod. This is basically used to change permissions. So chmod 400 basically represents that we are giving access, that is read-only access, only for the owner. So basically this init.log, this can be accessed in read-only mode. It can't be modified. It can be accessed only in read-only mode by the owner. After that, we have to print a success message saying, again for printing we're using echo, saying secure vault created successfully in base directory. Alright, so let me run the program. So yeah, it says secure vault created successfully in app deploy. Okay, so basically because the argument was provided, not provided, we are directly giving it to app deploy. So basically this base directory name is app deploy. That is why we're using dollars here. So basically in place of that base directory dollar, the actual name goes and sets, that is app deploy. Now let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this. So yeah, the test case have passed, and that's it for this video. It's the next video. Thank you.